Content writers in nature need more than just a social media platform. It's at WeNaturalists, where you get to upgrade yourself to the next level. You can create and classify your work as a storybook. Let your creativity flow through the stories behind your work. My first project was about teamwork in nature. I called it United We Stand, Divided We Fall. A family is formed through mutual support, love, care, and understanding. That's something we all can learn watching these monk parakeets. Guess they were just minding their own beeswax. The following spring, my friend Dustin and I came across an anthill in the garden, so we decided to spend some time capturing the lives of these hard-working insects. I invited him to the same storybook album for his contribution. Overwhelmed by their captivating colonial behavior, Dustin captured this and added them to the storybook, continuing the series that I started alone last year. Together we carefully observed the life of an ant colony, and I created a beautiful and inspiring blog on this. We shared the storybook on our other profiles across different platforms. Our friends and others went through the stories and started engaging with them. All engagement got consolidated at one place on WeNaturalists. In this way, you can share your story on other social media sites as well. So being at WeNaturalists as a content writer has changed the way of storytelling and collaborating.